And a lot of these products, you may be like, hey, there's so many goodies here in front of you. What about how do they all work? Well, we cover that in more videos, which you can check out in the link below. Hey, this is Lance McGowan and
Malise Simpson.
And today we're going to be talking about the benefits of creating a new Airbnb account if you're new to Airbnb. And one of the first questions that I have is, what is Airbnb and how can someone create a new Airbnb guest account and earn $40 in travel credit with you?
Yeah, so Airbnb is the best way to rent unique local accommodations on any travel budget. And you can get that $40 off your first trip of $75 or more. So that's a really cool incentive to try it out and see how you like it.
Yeah, Airbnb's been around for a while now, and I love it. I've been a traveler myself, and it's great. And what are the benefits of creating an Airbnb guest account, though?
The benefits, first it's an app, and so once you download the app, you have the ability to look through any city, check out your prices. You can set your price, what you're looking for on your budget. You can rent a whole house. You can rent just one room out of somebody's house. It's a very personalized experience. So you have a host there to help you with your travel questions. And you can book it last minute. You can book it weeks in advance. You could do different lengths of stay. You get discounts if you book a week or a month at a time. So there's so much flexibility with Airbnb, and you're really supporting local entrepreneurs that are just supplementing their income with something they already have, a home, a room in their home, or even a whole house that they're renting out to you.
So it sounds like Airbnb has the benefits of a hotel and even an extended stay hotel with a kitchen and whatnot, but you're supporting a local entrepreneur and getting a really great personalized experience at the same time.
Yeah, it definitely is usually cheaper than a hotel is, and like I said, it's a home away from home, so maybe you want to cook a meal one night, or maybe you need to do a load of laundry because you've been on the road for a little bit, then you're going to have that in a whole house and be able to have that experience of just like you're at home.
Right. And I know another question is as well, if I just arrived at a location like the airport, how do I get to the Airbnb home that I'll be staying at? I mean, there's lots of different ways now with Uber and Lyft and taxis and even renting a car at the airport. But I know those may not be as convenient, or they may be a little bit more costly. So the question is what is Turo, and how can Airbnb guests enhance their experience with that?
Yeah, so Turo, is a very unique way to rent your favorite car for any occasion, whether you're traveling for business or pleasure. And again, you can get that for up to 35% off traditional rental car agencies. It's very flexible as far as you can get picked up right from the airport, you can get dropped off at the airport as well, so it's very convenient for people as well. And there's so many different options and cars, from luxury sports models, convertibles, to all the way down to very economy basic cars. And you're getting that personalized experience of a host that cares about that car and cares about your experience as a traveler. So they're cleaning the car for you, they're delivering the car in a timely manner, and they're giving you tips and tricks to get around town and all that good stuff as a traveler that you're looking for.
So it sounds like Turo is like the Airbnb of car rentals and allows for that savings, but also that personalized experience.
It is, and that's what I love about both companies. And I love to offer, each and every one of my customers is a person to me. They're not just a number. And I like to offer a really personalized, unique experience to all of my customers, and I'm very passionate about using natural solutions as far as cleaning for my car and for my home. And so I like to use essential oils here because it's a very natural way to clean and also to support your health when you're traveling or even when you're at home.
Yeah, I see some laundry detergent here, I see some cleaners, some hand wash, a diffuser for the home or the car. There's lots of different options here for folks, which is really great so that they can support their health while they're traveling.
Yeah, so what's the benefits of getting like a family essentials kit like this?
Oh, good question. Okay, so the Family Essentials Kit right here is basically the foundational, most popular essential oil kit that we offer to our clients. Comes with the top 10 oils for the home, which are featured down here. But they help with energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, helping you to stay healthy all year long. They come with some beadlets, which are like kind of essential oils in a little ball. And then we offer a special gift as well for new Airbnb hosts, or Malie offers that, and she offers a On Guard hand spray, which is really good for cleaning your hands and when you're traveling, because there's a lot of stuff in the air that's not so good. But this Family Essentials Kit, the main benefit is that it allows you to stay healthy all year long, and it allows you to have natural solutions within arm's reach when things pop up. And it allows you to address the root cause of what you're going through, not just mask symptoms, and using something natural, safe, and effective, not synthetic and toxic. And that's what's key. And again, it's everything that you kind of need in a box and is super travel ready. Like this box is beautiful, the shipping box that it comes in is beautiful, and it's just a really awesome option for Airbnb guests to basically take advantage of, during their trip. They get to enjoy that, I know, when they stay with you, but then right when they leave, they can, you can book that or, get that kit for your home and your family or just yourself.
Right, I can see it. It's super compact. I love that. And so it can fit in a suitcase, or it can even fit on your travel on. So, I've traveled. I know this has no problems going through security at all. So, all the oils are very potent, like you said. So just a few drops is all you need at a time. So it's a great travel kit. For sure.
Yep, it supports your immune system while you're traveling and can help with your mood and emotions and uplift them. And there's just so many benefits of it. We cover in other videos, and a lot of these products you may be like, hey, there's so many goodies here in front of you. What about how do they all work? Well, we cover that in more videos, which you can check out in the link below. But that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the other links in the description below so you can learn more about Airbnb, Turo, and how you can get started with an essential oil kit so that you can have the most positive and just memorable experience when you're traveling, because it's all about having that positive experience and just making the most of your time so you can stay somewhere you like, you can travel in a car that's great for you, and use products that are going to support your health along the way. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video.